If your WhatsApp status is not showing or not uploading, don't worry. Here's a quick and effective fix. First, open the settings on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then go to App Management. Now, find and select WhatsApp from the list. Tap on Storage Usage, and here simply clear the cache. This helps fix temporary bugs causing WhatsApp status not loading issues. After that, go back and tap on Force Stop, then confirm it. Now open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If you see an update option, make sure to update the app because outdated versions can cause WhatsApp status problems. If your app is already updated, open WhatsApp again. Tap on the Updates or Status section at the bottom. Now try adding a new status. Select any photo or video and tap the green Send button to upload it. And yeah, your WhatsApp status not showing problem should now be fixed.